Another quadratic here, or what appears to be a quadratic, x squared equals 6x minus 9. Basically, remember, our goal is to solve for x. And when we have a quadratic involved, our process really requires us going through a factoring route first before we find the solution. Step 1, rewrite it in standard form. Step 2, factor. I can factor by trial and error, or if I remember, maybe I remember this is a perfect square trinomial. This is x minus 3 squared equals 0 because I'm still in quadratic standard form. So I was able to factor it of x minus 3 times x minus 3. And if you don't remember some of those, you can still factor by trial and error. That's completely fine. And now for this to be true, I know that x minus 3 has to equal 0, or x minus 3 have to equal 0 because they're both there. Really, it's the same, so I can just check 1. And x minus 3 equals 0 gives me a solution set that x equals 3. And in this particular case, there's only one solution that's there. Also, too, I failed to mention previously that sometimes we're going to put our solutions in solution set notation. X equals 3 can also be written as the solution set with all the solutions, in this case just a 3, written inside of that. So that was solution set notation.